Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by using the key fob. Press the trunk icon once to unlock and press again to activate the electronic latch and open the trunk. If the fob battery is dead, remove the physical key from the fob and insert it into the trunk lock. Turn clockwise to release the latch manually. On later C-Class models with hands-free access, hold the key fob trunk button for 5 seconds to force the motorized opener when normal presses do not work. Inside the cabin, locate the trunk release lever near the driver's left knee or on the lower dash. Pull that lever to unlock the trunk and try opening from the exterior afterward. To transport long items, release the rear seat latches and fold the seats in the 60/40 split configuration to create a pass-through into the trunk area. If electronics have failed or the trunk is jammed, reach the emergency pull strap inside the trunk interior. Pull it firmly to manually unlatch and open the lid. For models equipped with hands-free access, approach the rear center bumper and make a steady kicking motion centered under the bumper. The sensor should detect the motion and trigger the trunk motor to open. If the sensor does not respond, recalibrate or reset the system by closing the trunk and holding the trunk button on the key fob for 5 seconds, then retry the kick gesture. Remember safety. Inside the trunk, there is a glow-in-the-dark emergency release. Pull it to exit if you...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.